Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically record meetings on Zoom. To do that, just go to the More section and select Record. I'll just select mute myself, I guess, and then it's recording. So you can pause and you can even stop it. So to stop the recording, just press stop or Alt R on your keyboard. And it's going to be saved when the meeting ends. So I'm just going to end the meeting. And then here, I'll be able to find the video that I've recorded. And that is it. You can also open recordings here, I think. Yeah. And you can view local recording. And that is it for this video. I hope I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!